Okay, it is snowing after Christmas, December 24th, 2010. We really are snowed in. We have more than 3 inches. I was surprised when I woke up and seen this. And it's still snowing outside. And Maya did not like the snow when she came out here and went to the bathroom. It's actually beautiful out. I like the sight of it, but we're not going out in this mess. So here's the wish we have all got. We have a white snow after Christmas, and it's still snowing, and it's going to probably continue to snow. And of course, I'm getting snow on me as I'm recording this. And everything is all white. The ground and everything is covered. So here is all the snow, and we are still getting more snow. I just woke up and this is what I have seen when I looked outside. And you people are crazy for driving in this mess. There's the church over there with snow. The whole parking lot's full of snow.